Hi. What'd you do today? Hi. Did you go shopping today? Uh-huh. What else did you do today? Yeah? Then what? Whoa. And what did you see? Really? What else did you see? What did you see, Griff? Did you see people? Here, look at Mama. Don't look at the camera, look at Mama. Did you see people? Go ahead. Goo. Goo. What? You tell Mommy. What did you... What? What? Then what? Was there lots of traffic? And what happened? Griff, look at Mama. Really? And what did you do? What did you do, Griff? Whoa, you yelled at someone? Okay. Okay. Why do you get so freaked out by the camera? It's just a camera. It's not doing anything. Look at Mommy. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Agoo. Alright, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, camera? Bye-bye. What?